Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix unable to connect to servers on Multiversus, right? So these methods will work on PS4, PS5, Xbox, and on PC as well. So the first thing we need to do here, you need to make sure to test your internet connection. Just go to, for example, fast.com and test your internet connection. If you have a good connection, you're good to go. But maybe if you don't, try to limit some devices or restart your router, and then look if the problem persists. Also, if there is a possibility, you can always if there's possibility to use Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi, always use that because it will be a better connection. And for example, if you're playing on Steam, then you need to just go on Steam and look for library, game, Multiversus, and make sure properties, and make sure to verify integrity of the game files. Maybe your files is corrupted and need to be fixed. And if it's not the case, the next step what you need to do here, if you're using a PC, you need to open up CMD, right click on it, run as admin, and then here you need to write IP config /flush DNS, and then another command is nesh winsock reset. And after that, restart your computer and look if the problem persists or not. Also, make sure to go to settings, go to Windows Update, and make sure there is no updates left for you. You're running with the newest ones, right? And if it's not the case, then try to reset your network. On PC, you just need to go on settings, and network and internet. And on PlayStation, also you can, I believe, reset network as well. So go to advanced network settings, go to network reset, and reset now. If using Wi-Fi, you need to restart your computer, and if using Ethernet cable, you don't need to do here nothing. Your internet, after you restart your computer, it will work, right? And the last thing what you need to do here, you need to change your DNS server addresses. And to do so, you need to go to advanced network settings, then look for your internet connection. For me is this one. Expand option, go to more adapter options here. Then double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Then use the following DNS server addresses. And on preferred DNS server, write 8.8.8.8. And on alternate DNS server, you need to write 8.8.4.4. Apply the changes, restart your computer or console, and your problem should be fixed. If the problem is not on their end, this means if the Multiversus servers is not down, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.